Hey, what's going on? It is John, and hey, I just wanted to make a quick message for all of Kurt's people and just say hey and tell you kind of what I've got going on over here. Give you a little intro video, just say hi, show you some of the results that some of my people are getting, some of the results that I get, kind of tell you a little bit about what I do, and then if you're interested in this, what you can do now. Kind of give you a little teaser in a presentation that I did with Kurt, a little a Zoom presentation. We talk about the Phil Jackson rule. If you're an agency owner, you're going to love this. If you're brand new, you're really going to love it. Why some affiliates succeed and why some of them fail. And then I do an interview for his Stuck at Home Summit as well. I think you'll enjoy that. So if you get a chance, check those out. Let's talk about results here. I've got results here, $17,000. This is in 1 week. This is from 2017. Here's January of this past year, 27,000 one day, 22,000, almost 23,000 the next. Lots of $10,000 days, etc. Here is a screenshot. This is from 2019. 2018, $390,000 in about 24 days. One of those days, I think the 13th of September, we did almost 22,000 that day. Here is another one. This is 2019, $2,500 day. Here's one of my students. Had $1,600 profit on Saturday, $2,500 profit Sunday. You can see this is super recent because he mentions the coronavirus, and we all know what's going on there. Here is another client of mine, $58,000 profit in 1 month. This fella here had never ran a paid ad. So if you're brand new, fear not. Jim was also brand new. If you're an agency guy or you're used to running traffic, you'll really do well with my strategies. Here's a guy here. If those numbers are far out for you, here's a guy spent $151, made $360. So everybody's got to start someplace. And, we kind of hold your hand through it regardless of where you are. So I dive into a lot of the details of what I do and how I do it with my business partner, Kyle. We talk a lot about affiliate marketing, agency stuff. We've been there. I think you guys will really enjoy the presentation. I won't bore you here with it. I think one of them is about an hour and a half with the questions, and then the interview I did with Kurt's about 30 minutes. So dive in. If it's something you feel like it may be for you, just reach out to us. We'd love to have a conversation with you. We'd love to work with you and help you scale other products for profit. So, hey, it's nice saying hi to you. I really look forward to talking to you if we get the chance, and then I really look forward to working with you, should you feel like it's a good fit. Okay, talk soon.